Hi guys, welcome back to Natural Tribe where we teach women how to get longer and healthier hair. Oh my gosh, I know it has been a while since I actually made a video. I just got a cute new phone and I'm so happy. It was a birthday gift and I'm so happy. But today we're going to be looking at 12 styles that you can rock 2020. So if you want to look cool and popping like me, you should watch this video. Yeah, this one. Welcome back to Natural Tribe, and if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button to know when I post a new video, and lastly like this video so YouTube will know it's relevant. So I did my flat twist in the ninth before this video so I can get a stretch look for this tutorial. So my first style actually, I did a side part and pinned it to one side to give me a very beautiful afro look. This is like one of my favorite styles to rock to school. That's when I was in school. Right now I'm not in school anymore. So I twisted the side of my hair, then went on to twist the other side of my hair back. Then I used the pin to pin it down. I did the same process for the other side. You can actually rock this to your college, like when you have classes, to work, to events. It's just a simple, easy look that you can rock and you can do within 10 minutes. Gorgeous. Then I lost the footage of the front twist, but you can see me right now twisting my hair back with the twist in front to give me a cornrow effect. I usually stretch my hair in the night so I can achieve all these looks that I am doing. If not, it would be really difficult for me to do my hair like this. So you actually have to stretch your hair in the night or a day before to get yourself ready for the next day. And I did the same thing for this other side and I pinned it down. You could either use attachment, but I decided to just use my hair. So for this fourth style, I unraveled my hair and I just twisted it round, then used a pin to put it in place. So I unraveled my hair again so I could let my hair down. I pinned one side to the back and pinned the other side to the back to give me an elegant look. People ask me, how do you get your hair to be like this? Like, is this your hair? Like, I don't get it. It's my hair is not so big. That's what I tell everybody. And people ask me how I maintain my fro. And I actually have a channel that actually teaches people how to grow their fros and their hair longer. So hit me up if you want to learn more. So for this seventh style, I put some piece in front and used my bandana to wrap the remaining at the back. For my eighth style, I twisted the front into one and pinned it at the back. I know I look like a TV star. Then for the ninth style, I divided the front into two sections, twisted one to the left side and the other one to the right side. Then pinned both down. I used my lace to hold my midsection down. My lace actually comes with a hook that allows me to adjust to any size I want when I'm styling my hair. Then I used my detangler to spray my back hair to make my hair soft at the back, and I used a pin to pin it down at both sides. You can also get your detangler from us if you want to make your hair softer when styling. After that, I twisted both sides down at the back. Then at the midsection too, I divided it into two and twisted it also. I pinned the midsection down, and I also pinned the back section as well. Then from the first front section, I divided it into two, twisted one side down and twisted the other side down. Then after this, I pinned them to the back to give me a mohawk look. Don't forget, get your detanglers today so you can easily manage your hair without stress. So for this next style, I into 3 parts and I twisted these 3 parts. And finally I pinned it to the side. All those sisters of mine looking for hairstyles that they can rock to church and to events, this hairstyle for 2020 is all yours. You can look fab and be natural. So for this style, I used my bandana as a scrunchie. Then I took the front part of my hair and twisted it down. I continued doing my hair in huge twists, and after that I did a huge bun. I just used pins to pin it down. So these 12 hairstyles are going to be amazing for when you want to go out, rock your hair in either twists or updos that are going to make you look very classy and very sassy this 2020. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and please share to your friends so we can get our channel up. Please share this video with your friends, your aunties, your sister, your cousin, your bunkmates, anyone that's a female and is a naturalista that would love to rock their natural hair but don't know how to rock their natural hair this 2020. So please, let's get this channel up to 100, and as you do so, the Almighty God that is living in the sky is gonna bless you. Thank you. Bye. I love you. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'm sure you got some sexy, sassy, fab, beautiful hairstyles from this video to rock for 2020 and slay your natural hair. So don't forget to subscribe. Again, don't forget to subscribe so you can get some of these juices coming out from my brain and my system, and click the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. And lastly, like so people will know that this video content is relevant to you. With all that acting done, I say bye bye. Bye. I'll miss you. Bye.